Greetings. In this tutorial, we are going to look at how you can add alternative text in an image on LinkedIn to ensure that you're creating inclusive and accessible content for everyone who accesses your LinkedIn content. So of course, you go here to start a post, click there, you put your post there, and then you come here to add a new image. So you come here to add media, and then you select the image that you prefer to use. For example, that. And then here is where you can add more changes. So in case you want to edit it, you can come here to crop. If you want to resize it, then we have different filters for the image that you can make changes. And then we have here to adjust it. In case you want to increase its brightness, contrast, or saturation, all the changes can be made from here. And whenever you're done with any, you click apply so that the changes can be applied. Then we have here in case you want to tag. And then for the purpose of this tutorial, we have here alternative text. So when you click here in alternative text, you add the description of this image. Make sure it's well detailed and gives a good description of the image in hand. Okay. You can also research online on tips on how to generate and create good alternative text for your image. After that, you click add. And then after all is said and done, you click next. And then you go ahead to post your image with alternative text, making it more accessible and inclusive for everyone using social media. Thank you.